I'm just trying to, and I don't want to wait another 5 hours in there.
I get it, but we got to talk about it, bro.
No, you do. I know your police tactics. I deal with police before. I've been arrested.
Cool, that's cool.
You're just
so
trying to
I don't want
off the plane.
I don't want to arrest you right now. Sir, please keep walking.
Why are you pushing me?
Keep walking, sir.
Why are you pushing me?
Please keep walking.
Why are you pushing me? Leave your hands off me.
My hand's not on you. Keep walking.
Is your body cam on?
Absolutely.
You're touching me.
It's okay.
No, get out of my face. I'm not going anywhere. Get the out of my face. I ain't going anywhere, bro.
Don't blow your fist up. Do not blow your fist up. I saw that. Heard that?
On May 3rd, 2024, Orlando police responded to a disturbance at Orlando International Airport involving an uncooperative passenger and subsequent arrest. This case demonstrates critical intersections between airline authority, trespass law, First Amendment limitations, and use of force standards.
Is he fighting or no?
No, he tried to fight me when I was trying to.
He's not fighting. Is this him?
That's him. He's been very unruly.
Yes, sir. Can you just step off so we can talk? Yep. Is that him? Who is it? Come on over here, man.
I need to get my stuff.
Yeah, we'll get your stuff in a minute.
I need to get my stuff.
Let's talk about it real quick.
Yeah, I need to get my stuff.
I get that. Let's talk about it and maybe you can still fly.
Talk about what?
I need to figure out. I just got here.
I already was talking to them.
So let's just talk about it.
They're saying that there's no way. Like, I already told them. I went and...
Okay.
I'm just trying to... And I don't want to wait another 5 hours in there.
I get it, but we got to talk about it, bro.
No, you do. I know your police tactics. I deal with police before. I've been arrested.
Cool. That's cool.
You're just
so
trying to get me off the plane.
I don't want to arrest you right now. You still got to get off the plane, though.
Arrest me for what?
Trespassing on the plane.
What crime have I committed?
That's it. They don't want you here. They just want you to leave.
Yeah, bro.
Okay, cool. Hey, can we get airside? He's refusing to get off the plane.
Do you want to go grab?
We're just gonna get your stuff, bro. Can you get your stuff?
Come on, bro. Go.
You already know what time it is, bro. Unball your fist.
That's not a crime. That's not a
You're
crime.
right.
That's not
But it is a threat. That's it. They're getting your stuff now.
Why are you throwing my property?
They're shoes, bro. Right now, I just asked you to get off me. Would you get that stuff nicely? You're not doing it, so I'm not playing nice anymore. That's all you got to do.
I'm not weird, bro.
That's cool. Right now, they don't want you on the plane. That's it.
I can move along so I can move it.
Oh, now you want to get off. Thank you.
He's off the plane. Let me try to get his stuff.
Where's the big guy?
He's in the corner. Where's his stuff at?
That was his boots. That's apparently all he had.
Just the boots?
Yeah, just the boots, I guess.
Lucky you guys got weapons, bro. I swear, bro. Oh, I have my luggage, bro.
Where's your luggage at?
I don't know where.
Did you check it in?
Yes, I did.
Okay, it'll be at your destination.
Is it on the plane or did you?
You guys are lucky you guys have weapons, bro.
Walk on up.
Okay.
Hold on. Let's get airside. All you gotta do is walk up.
Let the go. Let's go. But without that weapon and badges, bro, that's isolating. You guys get beat the up, bro. Guaranteed. Pussy ass police. You guys ain't shit, bro. You guys are pussies, bro. You guys need weapons, bro. What?
I said keep walking.
What are you gonna do? You're lucky you need weapons in a bunch of people.
Just walk towards the gate.
Nah, shut the up, bro. You guys are, bro.
Alright, sir. The children.
It's a freedom. I can say whatever I want. I ain't saying no.
Where's the victim?
You're a. You need weapons. Take off the badges. Let's go somewhere right now. Me and you. Yeah, exactly. Punk ass Asian.
Well, that's not a racist, sir. There's no need for that.
I'll give
Okay. My ethnicity doesn't have anything to do with it.
Grow some hair.
Police, I got a half decent haircut, my friend.
He's a guy here. Hey, in World War II, they dental flossed you guys. They blindfolded you guys with dental floss on.
That's going to warn to the tram.
Yeah.
That way, bro.
Right there.
Right here, dog. You want to tell me this?
Where's my fucking flight?
Let him sit. You want to sit here? No
What?
problem.
Where's my flight?
Give him a route out.
That's the way out right there, the train, right?
For where?
Exit to get out of the
Just
airport right
pointed
now.
to you, right there.
You're not going to the flight right now. You understand that, right?
I'm not going to
That way is
flight.
your way out.
Where's
You're out.
That way on the
where's my
tram.
new flight? They said they
Your
would give me a
flight's
new
not
flight.
coming, sir. You've been denied boarding. Okay?
You have to find a new carrier, right?
So your flight is on the way out, and you have to book another one. Whatever airline's going to happen. Or you can go with, what was that, Spirit? You can go to Spirit counter. But you're not flying on that
And
flight.
where's my money?
That's not our problem, sir. Our problem is you acting disorderly. On the flight and off the flight. Your exit's on that tram. You have an exit way.
Pussy, bro. You know that? You're a alright? Pussy, you need a weapon, but without all that shit, bro, you ain't nothing but a alright?
Okay, sir.
Legally, you pussy ass.
Keep walking, sir.
And you guys get off my nutsack, you guys want to keep on.
Not on your nutsack, sir. Please keep walking.
Why are you pushing
Please
me?
keep walking, sir.
Why are you pushing me?
Please keep walking.
Why are you pushing me?
Leave your
Hands off of me.
My hand's not on you. Keep walking.
Is your body cam on?
Absolutely.
You're touching me.
It's okay.
No, you can't.
Keep walking, sir.
You can't touch me. You
Please
don't have
keep
a
walking,
right to touch me.
Keep walking,
Touch
sir.
me again.
Keep walking,
Touch
sir.
me again, exactly, because
Keep
you know you
walking,
can't touch me.
Keep walking, sir.
You get the out of my face and
Keep
I
walking,
will.
sir. You're
Back
right
Get
there.
away from me. Get away
Put
from
your
me.
hands down.
Get the away from me.
Exit. He needs an exit.
I will.
That way.
That's it, bro.
Walk.
Nah. Don't yell in my face.
All you gotta do is walk.
You're gonna hit me, tough guy.
I don't need to hit you.
Hit me, tough guy.
I don't need to hit you.
Exactly.
Walk that way.
I will when you back up.
I don't need to
Get
back
out
up.
of my
My
face.
job.
Then I don't need to walk.
Please leave. Please leave. Your exit's right there.
Right? You're not hard, bro. I'm not hard. Get the out of my face.
This is my airport, bro.
Get the out of my face.
Please keep
You want to
walking.
book a flight, you go that way.
Get out of my face.
If you want to go to jail, hang out here. So you can
Where's
sit
airside?
Get out of my face.
I'm not going anywhere.
Get the out of my face. I ain't going anywhere, bro. Get the out
We're
of my
between trams.
face.
Don't pull your fist up! Do not pull your fist up! I saw that! Heard that? Do not pull your fist up!
Andy, where are you guys at?
Hold!
Which way are you going? Which way you want to go?
Get this arm over here! Get your hand down!
I got cops.
Hands behind your back!
All right, yes, sir.
Do it now!
Give us your hands.
Yes, sir.
I got one.
Yes, sir.
All right, ready for got a sneaky?
Oh, the other way.
That's
No, that's me, that's me, that's me!
That's Andy.
That's me!
Bring him down. Bring him down.
I believe you said he's at the tram now.
Go ahead and pull back, Andy. Go ahead and pull your arm out. Okay.
192 from Bodycam. Can you confirm your location?
Good.
Sit up!
On the airside.
I told you not to ball your fist up!
Anything in socks? No. Anything in socks? No. You sure? Let me see.
You're on the waist.
Anything in this sock here? Are you sure, sir? Yes, sir. Let me double check. Yes, nothing in your
You're on
shoes.
the waist.
When this officer was talking to you, you had your right hip fist balled up. That's what you're going to jail for. Sir, I might need a new radio.
Oh, okay. Good, thank you.
How hard it is to get a short stem?
What's
We were shitty time.
of course?
We were coming down. We were at the gate. Active call, right? Fight in progress. I get down there. I'm like, there's this really big guy in front of me. So I tap on my shoulder. Hey, sir, you want to step off? He's like, no, it's not him. It's him. I'm like, okay, cool, sir. Step off and talk to me. No, not without my stuff. He only had a set of brown boots. Finally, get the brown boots. Chuck him off the plane. I see his fist balled up around the ticket. I'm like, hey, man, don't do that. Finally gets off. He's talking shit all the way back to here. And then we're like, hey, keep moving. I was like, hey, keep moving. And guy didn't touch. Hey, keep going. Once he comes down here, he's like, get off my nuts and I'll move. I was like, get moving. He goes, don't yell at me. Okay. And Pete Lennekamp comes over and starts talking to him. I see his hand come up like this. I'm like, oh.
I'll kick your ass.
Next train will be on this side. That's the very end.
So are there charges like back at the gate, or
I didn't even get to that.
Okay.
Are you guys good with me if I go check on that?
Yeah, I got it.
I'll go find a spot for Sergeant Jewel to get in.
Did anything happen on the flight with that gentleman?
No, negative. Apparently, as the flight attendants called me down, because I'm the station supervisor,
Right.
I went to see what he was doing. So apparently, inside the aircraft, he was, I guess somebody sitting next to him or something, and he didn't want it, him that close. So he started going like he was doing when you guys got here. So then
He's hitting his fist into his open palm like this? Okay.
threatening, very threatful. And then he said, I got to go to the bathroom. And he came from his seat all the way to the first class bathroom, went in there, and that's when I arrived to the scene.
Right.
The flight attendant was debriefing me about where his... Jose, I'll call you back. I'm in an issue. I got to call you back.
Hey, yeah, I copy. I'm going to be down at the gates. Give me a second, Sarge.
So when I went over there, the flight attendant said that she was being nasty to them, cursing at them.
AC, can you get her in?
He was cursing at the passengers as he was walking by and disrespecting the flight attendants.
Right.
So then he went into the bathroom. When he came back, I arrived at the scene.
Right.
She was telling me what was going on, and I said, well, if it's that issue, because we have to decline it. We want him out of the aircraft.
Right.
So when he stepped out of the bathroom, I approached him right there, and I said, can I see your boarding pass? And then he's like, what you want my boarding pass for, bro? I get out of my
16182. You're in
I stood there, I said, I just need your boarding pass. Then he handed it over to me. When I'm going to look at his name and everything, he snatched it from my hand, and he said, you need to move
Right.
I need to go back to my seat. I said, sir, did you have any carry-on luggage with you? I need you to talk to me inside the aircraft. You're not going to be flying on this flight today. And then he just started going, oh, Frau, you're lucky, oh, PD, you're lucky. We can do this right here. You know, being dreadful.
Right.
So I wouldn't budge because I was blocking the walkway to prevent him from going back into the aircraft.
Is that why all the passengers were stacked up there?
Yes, because he refused to move. So he was just...
Did that flight already take off?
Yeah, he pushed back.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And so the captain noticed the commotion, and he opened the door, and he just stood by there. The big guy came, and he was like, it's time for you to step off. And then they just put me aside, you know what I mean? Because I was not being confrontational. I was just not letting him. I was not budging, but I was looking at him. Just letting him speak, you know, quietly. But then when you guys arrived, that's when everything started.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Yeah. You good, Mama? Alright.
I don't know where that's coming from.
Yeah, that's anything. Yep.
Yep.
Someone's got something.
Somebody grab a shoe.
So,
It's going to be 16182.
we just gotta go down the elevator here around the corner. Yeah.
Christian Alex.
Excuse me, you guys have my phone.
You're what?
You guys have my phone.
I don't know, but we'll check. I'm sure we have everything.
Sorry about that, you know, honestly. I don't know what to think of it.
Yeah, we don't even know.
How is this?
Military 536 with Colin at the Information desk on level 6. The reference is white, she's an 83-year-old Asian female in a denim jacket, black jeans, carrying a black person around.
Take a seat.
Let's examine the constitutional framework. Under Florida Statute 810.08, once airline personnel revoke permission to remain on an aircraft, continued presence becomes criminal trespass. Federal regulations at 49 CFR Part 1000, 542 grant flight crews broad authority to remove passengers for safety concerns. The moment the airline withdrew authorization, the subject transformed from passenger to trespasser. Officers employed proper de-escalation techniques, calm verbal communication, offering opportunities to retrieve belongings, explaining consequences. The subject received at least 5 opportunities to comply voluntarily before physical control became necessary. The subject's clenched fists, combined with verbal threats, constitute what law enforcement training identifies as pre-attack indicators. Under Graham versus Connor, officers need not wait for an attack to launch before using reasonable force to protect themselves. Regarding First Amendment protections, the Supreme Court established in Chaplinsky versus New Hampshire that fighting words fall outside constitutional protection. Fighting words are statements that, by their very nature, inflict injury or tend to incite immediate breach of peace. The subject's threats to beat the fuck up officers and challenges to fight without weapons clearly meet this standard. Florida Statute 877.03 prohibits disorderly conduct, including violent, tumultuous, or obstreperous behavior in public places. The subject's profane, threatening conduct in a public terminal with families present satisfies all elements of this offense. The racial slurs directed at the Asian officer, while reprehensible, serve as additional evidence of the subject's hostile mindset and lack of self-control. Officers demonstrated exceptional restraint by not allowing these provocations to affect their professional response. When officers moved to physical control, they used empty hand techniques without strikes or weapons, consistent with the use of force continuum. The force applied was objectively reasonable under Graham versus Connor, given the subject's threats, physical posturing, and active resistance. Florida Statute 843.02 addresses resisting arrest without violence, while 784.07 covers assault on law enforcement officers. The subject's threats combined with aggressive fist clenching created well-founded fear of imminent violence, supporting the assault charge. Orlando Police Department officers receive a grade of B+. They demonstrated exceptional de-escalation efforts, appropriate force progression, legal accuracy, and remarkable professional restraint. Minor improvement areas include potentially shortening the extended verbal engagement once arrest became inevitable. The subject receives a grade of F. He escalated at every decision point, made overt threats, used racist language, and resisted lawfully authorized arrest. He transformed a simple airline removal into multiple felony charges through catastrophically poor judgment. Key lessons from this incident. First, airline personnel have legal authority to remove passengers. Compliance is not optional. Second, clenched fists and verbal threats create legitimate officer safety concerns, justifying enhanced caution and force if necessary. Third, racist language and profanity do not provide legal protection. They only worsen your legal situation and create video evidence. Fourth, the right to remain silent is perhaps your most valuable right. This subject incriminated himself continuously. Finally, physical resistance to lawful arrest always results in additional criminal charges and potential injury. The charges filed, disorderly conduct, assault on law enforcement, and resisting arrest, are well supported by clear video evidence. This case demonstrates both excellent police work under difficult circumstances and the severe consequences of escalation rather than compliance. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel for even more police interaction and courtroom content.